To Capitol Hill now, where an unlikely crusader testified today. We're talking about Paris Hilton, who spoke in front of a House panel about child welfare programs. Hilton called for change to the programs, sharing her experience with the abuse that she says she suffered while she was in youth treatment facilities.
I was force-fed medications and sexually abused by the staff. I was violently restrained and dragged down hallways, stripped naked, and thrown into solitary confinement.
Remember, this is not Hilton's first congressional rodeo. She talked about this before becoming a huge advocate the last few years for better protections for kids in these facilities, even backing a bill to create better reporting standards for what's known as, quote, the troubled teen industry. I want to get to our congressional reporter, Scott Wong, now to talk more about this. Talk us through first, Scott, what more we heard from Paris Hilton, and where do these proposed changes to the system, where do they go from here? How are they implemented?
Hey, Yasmin. Yeah, emotional and graphic testimony from Paris Hilton today. She called on Congress to basically crack down on these facilities from, restraining these youth, putting them in seclusion. She also really emphasized a focus on vulnerable children, those with disabilities, those facing mental health issues, those in foster care. Take a listen.
These facilities treat foster youth, kids in the juvenile justice system, youth with disabilities, and youth with mental health issues. I think all the agencies must work together to address the abuse and neglect that is happening, and we can't fix the issue if we don't look at it as a whole.
And now she is, trying to generate some momentum here on Capitol Hill to reauthorize this federal program known as Title 4B. It basically provides oversight for these types of youth treatment facilities. It had not been reformed since 2008. It expired in 2021. And so for these last several years now, these facilities have really been facing no oversight.
How much influence does someone like Paris Hilton have in getting a bill passed?
Well, you and I know her from our generation as a reality TV star. Yeah. Certainly, she continues to be a huge social media presence. She, is an absolute rock star, even up here on Capitol Hill. And so bringing that star power to this issue, she generates a ton of attention. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle are now aware of this issue in this crisis in these types of facilities. And now there's a real concerted effort to try to get something done. I talked to the chairman of Ways and Means just a few minutes ago, Jason Smith of Missouri. He said he called Paris Hilton brave. He said that she has shown a light on this issue for a large group of Americans who had never heard of this issue before. And he hopes that she has generated momentum for his committee now to reauthorize these reforms and this oversight of these teen facilities sometime this summer. This committee has worked on a bipartisan basis in the past. There's a pretty good chance it will be able to do so again, especially with the backing of Paris Hilton.
Well, former reality TV stars seem to have a lot of power in government these days. Scott Wong for us. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.